We are about to embark on one of the craziest road trips we have ever done. We are currently in Los Angeles, California, and we are heading all the way over to Nevada to hit Las Vegas. I'm super excited. We have an epic Jeep and we're going to show you every stop along the way. So let's get going. So for our very first stop, we have come to one of the most American retail parks along the way. We left LA about 45 minutes ago, and this is the perfect first stop. We're actually going to run inside Target, which has incredible mountain views behind it, and we're going to get some road trip snacks, and then we'll do some cool stuff. But let's jump in the Jeep. Okay, successful trip here in Target. This is just outside of Los Olivias, I think it's called. I'm going to leave a link in the description to our full route so you can follow along exactly. But now we're jumping in the car and let's get going to something fun. Let's go! Road trip time. Whoop! You're supposed to high five. Okay, right, we have a 1 hour drive to Barstow, which is our first stop. I might have got that wrong. We have made it to Barstow, so this is one of our stops, and this is quite an interesting one because it has a McDonald's, a Starbucks and the usual stuff, but it's very old school in the style of like an old train or something. Let's go inside and check it out. We've just seen hordes of tourists getting off a bus, so this must be the place. You can actually see here these like old carriage carts, which you see inside. There's the old McDonald's train cart. Let's go and see from the inside. Okay, so we made it inside and it's kind of like this old school trucker stop, which is really cool. It says we're on Route 66 and I don't know if we are or not yet, but we've come inside the McDonald's for a quick snack before our main lunch stop later. So we're gonna grab a quick snack and go into one of the train cart things where you can sit, but there's already like these cool seating areas here. A really nice little truck stop, even just to use the toilet. Okay, this is very cool. I'm actually inside one of the like train carts now, so we're going to enjoy our little McDonald's snack and then hit the road. The next stop is only 15 minutes from here, but this is worth a snack stop and a toilet break. So a lot of people recommend to stop at Peggy Sue's Diner, which also has this dinosaur park, which is like model dinosaurs. Old school diner, apparently okay food, but we've seen on a couple of reviews people getting their cars broken into, so we're actually going to skip that one, and we already just had some food. So up next is an old school mining town apparently, so let's check it out together. I'll see you there. We're actually driving through, it feels a bit more like a desert now, and we see this Calico sign, which is the name of the place we're going, written on the mountainside up here, so we're almost there. So that was $8 per person just for entry, and apparently there's some other activities inside that you pay additional for, but this is very cool. We're in the middle of nowhere. We're going to the campground. Oh, there's a cemetery. So we have made it inside Calico town, and there's a couple of different spots the way along. We can get some information. This was an old silver mining town, but we've just spotted a train in the distance that we want to try and jump on.
I think that's a Starbucks.
A Starbucks? No.
So, yeah, she had a Starbucks, that lady.
Yeah, they probably stopped in a Starbucks.
No, like a new one with like fresh straws.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. There was a restaurant back there as well, and some shops where you can buy stuff. Oh, we've got a stage. Fire buckets?
Ride, find tour, is it this way?
Okay, we're getting on the train. This is Eb running away from me as per usual. Wait up, it's not going to drive off without you. Oh, it probably will. Excited?
Yeah.
So that was an additional $5.50 each, so another $11 to ride this train, which is an 8-minute ride all the way around. But it looks pretty cool, and we are the only people here right now, so I think we get it all to ourselves. So we went on the train. How was that, Eb?
I think we got ripped off.
Yeah, it wasn't amazing. It just did like this little loop, but interesting to find out about this silver mining town. Fun little stop on the way. I think we're going to head out pretty soon. Up next we have Eddie's World. This is basically a fuel pump station. We just got some petrol for the first time on the trip, and now we're heading inside. I think there's some cool stuff to see, so let's check it out together. These American gas stations are insane. There's like every suite you could imagine, loads of restaurants and things. I'm gonna grab some more snacks. I've never seen so many hot sauces before.
This one's a
Can you say that? Do we have to beep that? Beep. Beep. To be honest, that one was just more of a gas station stop, but we did get some cherries. So we have a 47-minute drive now to our next location. I'll see you there. Our next area has a few different things around here. There's a Greek restaurant, there's loads of petrol stations, and there's also the world's largest thermometer, well, world's tallest thermometer, and it's pretty tall, but it's in Fahrenheit, and I only understand centigrade, so it's 100 F, which I think is hot. But we're gonna drive a little bit more down the road and get some alien jerky. So the theming of this place looks like it's something out of Disney. Let me show you this building. This is Alien Fresh Jerky. Who are these guys? Ah! Like, this is like the Back to the Future car. And then look at this building. So we're still about 150 miles away from Area 51, which this is sort of playing on, but it's very cool. There is so much alien stuff in here. Look, we can even sit and have a picture with an alien. I feel like this is like going to come alive, like in Paul or something. But again, another great truck stop. Loads of drinks and things along the way. We're either going to try some jerky, alien jerky. I can just never get away from how much choice America has. Like, look at all those Starbucks, all those different energy drinks. It's just crazy, like so much. What'd you get?
I need electrolytes and dehydrated.
Okay, we picked up our stuff. It was $22 for a drink and some jerky. But we've come around the back and there's this whole other bit Now, I don't know what this is, but it looks like it could host events or something. There's a little food pretzel, alien pretzel place, and then there's this big sort of venue. So we were in the shop there, and they've got this and another building behind it. So I don't know what they do there, but very cool. The theming's amazing, and we are once again jumping back in the car. Okay, it is time for a taste test. Where's the Joe? Eb decided to go with
Sweet and spicy, but I don't like it. I don't even want it. Brad's forcing me.
Eb has to try some.
I don't want to eat aliens.
It actually sounds really good. It's quite clean actually. There's like barely any ingredients. So, Alien Fresh Jerky Premium.
Oh. Why are you making me eat this? No.
Oh, it looks like skin. Go on, try a bit.
No.
We'll try a bit at the same time.
Oh, I can't,
You
Brad.
can.
Why?
That little bit. Ready? Cheers. It's just beef jerky.
I don't like beef jerky.
Well, it's quite good actually. It's just like meaty. Okay. Probably not worth $14, but nice snack. But we have seen there's a Denny's across the road, and Eb wants pancakes. So should we do it?
Do I?
Do we?
Let's go.
Let's go. So we've opted to share a meal because this is just one meal for like $15, and it looks great. Go on. We are only 12 minutes now from the border of California to Nevada, and we're on a very steep hill actually. There's a 6% gradient going down, it said back there, so you're kind of just flying down, but the views are crazy. We're starting to see all these like mountains and hills. We've seen them the whole time, but there's all like this like shrubbery and little plants and stuff, and I think we are seeing just ahead of us the border. Is that a hotel?
Yeah, it must be.
There is a full-blown roller coaster going through this hotel. We've just crossed into Nevada and we've pulled over to go and find the Nevada sign. And there's like this whole resort. There's like a casino already. We're on our way to Vegas.
What did you get?
I got us a gift.
What is it?
You ready? We have one each. 1 sec. Las Vegas! I just got 2 t-shirts for $10, and we're gonna go and find the sign. Okay, so we can't find the Welcome to Nevada sign. All we've got is this Welcome to Prim, Nevada. So this area is called Prim. There's an outlet mall, there's a load of pump stations and fast food as you'd expect on another stop, but we're gonna grab a little picture with our new t-shirts. And now only 15 minutes away is the 7 magical mountains. I'm just kidding, it's not this. It's the... There is these 7 massive rock statues just behind me, all covered in colour. And they look incredible. It's quite windy out here. Only 15 minutes away from the last stop. And this is definitely worth checking out. Let's have a look. Trying to work out if these are real rocks, and I'm pretty sure they are, but to make them balance like this is pretty crazy. You see up here? Mad. Eb has somehow managed to get her camera stuck on here. I don't trust that. There is literally just nothing else around. You've got the main highway over there, then nothing but desert, and then these rocks. It's a really cool photo opportunity, definitely worth stopping at. There's a parking lot over there, but no food or drink at this one for the first time. But this is the last stop until Vegas. Out of 10?
10.
10?
I mean, it's really cool. Great pictures, mountains in the background, blue skies. Cool.
Now, I haven't really mentioned it, but we are actually driving a Jeep Wrangler right now. And our next stop is actually our hotel in Vegas, which I'm super excited to show you. But first, we have our last drive in the Jeep. It's really, really nice. It's actually a hybrid, so it's half electric, half normal petrol. So we don't have to charge it, but we do have to fill it up with petrol. It's actually a 4-door, so there's loads of space back there. We've got our 2 suitcases in the boot with loads of space still left. Back seats if we had other people with us. And we've actually removed the roof the other day to get some air in, which was super simple. And I couldn't believe it, but with Hertz, this was $60 a day, which is like nothing for a rental car. This is like a third of what it costs in Europe or anywhere else. And we've got this massive, epic Jeep. So very much enjoying driving this around, very smooth drive. But talking of driving, let's head to Vegas. We have made it inside Las Vegas and this place is insane. This is the most overwhelming drive I've ever had. There is adverts everywhere. It's insane. There is like desert and then you're just into it with all the hotels, and we are heading over to our one now. There's the Statue of Liberty just there. There's a tiger. This is insane. Like all the walkways. We're going to explore the full Vegas and we're just 5 minutes away from our hotel down the main strip. So that is just a sneak preview of our room here at the Bellagio. We've got a suite and I'm going to do a full video about it and show you all the adventures we get up to in Vegas. But thank you guys for joining us on this epic road trip. It was a lot of fun. Highly recommend the route. I'll leave a link in the description. And apart from that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to see this room. All that good stuff. And I will see you guys in Las Vegas tomorrow. Boom.